How to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android? Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery, your trusted channel for easy step-by-step tech guides. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android and how to fix it if the transfer doesn't work. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare both devices. Before you begin, make sure both your iPhone and Android phone are fully charged. They're connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you're using the same WhatsApp number on both phones. Also, make sure your Android device is new or factory reset. If not, you'll need to reset it first because WhatsApp transfer works best during initial setup. Step 2. Connect using the cable. Take your Lightning to USB-C cable or any compatible transfer cable and connect your iPhone to your Android device. Once connected, follow the on-screen prompts on your Android phone. You'll see an option that says Transfer WhatsApp Chats. Tap Start. Step 3. Authorize on iPhone. You'll get a message on your iPhone asking for permission to transfer your WhatsApp data. Tap Start on your iPhone and wait for the process to complete. This will transfer your chats, media, and voice messages to your Android device. Step 4. Install WhatsApp on Android. Once the transfer is complete, open the Play Store on your Android phone and install WhatsApp. Log in with the same phone number you used on your iPhone. When prompted, tap Import to finish moving your chat history. Step 5. Fix. Transfer not working. If the transfer fails or the chats don't appear, Fix 1. Update WhatsApp on both devices to the latest version. Fix 2. Reconnect both phones with a cable and restart the process. Fix 3. If your Android setup is already complete, you can use Google Drive Backup instead. On iPhone, back up WhatsApp to iCloud. Then use a third-party official app like Move to Android developed by Google to sync your data safely. Bonus tip. Once everything is transferred, you can also back up your chats to Google Drive for future security. Just go to WhatsApp Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and choose Google Drive as your backup option. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer WhatsApp chats from iPhone to Android and how to fix it if the transfer doesn't work. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more smart tech tutorials. This is How to Mastery, helping you master every how-to, one step at a time. Thanks for watching.